You know what's way cool about what we sell and our customers have and praise us for?
What's that?
Is that we've been doing this for quite some time now. And we listen to our customers through customer service, our dealers, because we have 4 teams out there seeing our dealers. And you can see what we travel in. And I used to go out and see our dealers. And you know what? It's not just to sell our product and tell them what we have and educate them. It's to tell them what we're doing right, but more importantly, what we're doing wrong. And we also got great research ideas, development ideas. This started out as an air separation project because we were being told that air was killing our performance and fuel mileage, okay? We're not talking about high performance at that time. It was on a stock semi engine. And the downtime going into the shops was killing us because the warranty was already covered. But they told us they were looking for air and vapor. So that's what we went into the process of figuring out. That we knew that air and vapor would take care of our fuel economy, okay? And our horsepower, because when that truck sat still overnight, the suction side filter is full, and you take off, it'd run great for about 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And then the agitation occurs, the air separation in the stock filter occurs, then it starts going through excessively. So we took care of horsepower and fuel mileage. And designing it, we thought, wait, we have a pump on here, which overcame gelling fuel.
Right.
And the more corn crap that they put in our fuel, the higher the gelling point.
Right. Yeah, it starts gelling earlier and earlier.
Right.
Yep.
So then we have a pump with high torque. This pump is, the fuel system is designed to last over 1 million miles. That's going to outlast most vehicles out there. Now, semis you can keep rebuilding.
Sure, 100%.
Okay, so we have a high torque, high quality motor here providing fuel upstream.
Yep.
Now that's where the whole thing got confused with high horsepower, because we can go from 95 gallons an hour to what?
540 if you need it.
Or what does Mario have on his truck?
He's got 4 540s, so over 2,000 gallons an hour.
So that's where we get mistaken for high performance, but it takes care of high performance. So there's another thing that we stumbled onto. Then with that high torque and the polishing of the fuel, someone gave us an idea.
Heater kits.
And at the first, you weren't here at that time,
Yeah.
we drilled ports in here to put coolant through. And so we grabbed coolant off the engine.
Sure.
And valved it so it wouldn't heat it in the summer. Some people are still putting heaters on in the summer.
Yep.
They have them operating.
Yep.
That'll boil your fuel, kill your injectors, performance, fuel mileage. So then we came out with the heater kits. Tell them about the heaters.
So these heater kits, we've got our probe kit and our heater disc kit on here. So 2 different products there. These are thermostatically controlled, which is a really fancy way of saying they automatically kick on when you need them and they turn off when you don't need them. And this is a combined over 400 watts of heating power. We've ran these on a thermal camera and they heat fuel up quickly and safely.
Then you get into the filters. These aren't normal filters. We used to have normal filters. People call me up, hey, where are your filters different? They're not,
Yeah.
except for you're feeding my bank account. Now they're way different, and the other filters only put on there when you need to get out of an emergency. If you got a bad dose of fuel, you have FS 1000s around, put it on. But these will protect your injection system more than anyone else.
100%. Yeah, from a data perspective, if you look at the actual numbers
Yes.
that these filters are actually built with, there is no upgrading from our filters.
No, we're second to none. We're kicking everyone's ass now.
Right, 100%. Yeah, so you've discovered a lot of things along the way. When your original mission was to separate air out of the fuel, which you were very successful with, since then, we've discovered time after time different opportunities to make things better.
Yes, and we listen to our customers.